this game's story too well. It's kind of hard to...
I don't like this stuff anymore. It's all the same and boring. Right, Mr. Chibi?
You know, bro.
Hi, my name is beep 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 personal information. This is .com, and I'm here to tell you about a new channel. But first, are you tired of crap like this?
This game's story too well. It's kind of hard...
Yes? Then, you're just in luck. We have even more crap. So, if you want to go to a better YouTube channel, go to The Average No. One of the best channels I ever seen. The Average No? No problem. It's all good. Except for everything else. Here's a little sample video of our entire YouTube channel.
The Average No!
I said no intro.
I'm sorry.
There's no intro.
I'm sorry.
Do better.
No intro this. No, I won't put an intro in.
Disappointed.
Trust me.
Disappointed. Ugh, what a lovely day it is.
Oh, hey there, Brad. How you doing?
Ugh, I'm fine. Ugh.
Well, that's great. You wanna go to space?
No, nice bird. I don't want to go to space.
But Brad,
No, ice bird.
but Brad,
No, ice bird.
but Brad,
No, ice bird.
but Brad.
No, nice bird.
Why?
Go ask Potty to go to space with you.
But I think Potty's dead.
Well, that's not my problem, huh, bud? Go to space by yourself. Ugh. Ugh. Frogio, I'm a great boy.
What's up, bro? I'm gonna fight your face off. So delicious face. Gonna fight it, cause I gotta go first.
Me, Frogio, will destroy you and make you weapons, you naked human being. I, Frogio, shall destroy your face, but don't fight against it. I am Frogio, the best fighter ever.
You gotta go fast. Papowie. Ah. Ah. It's the Average Snow here, and we're gonna review the latest Super Shrek Ultimate release. It's gonna have so many new characters that are great, and it's gonna be fantastic. Let's go get into this. Spacebar. Whoa, did you see that?
Would like to interrupt this video.
No.
To bring to you guys our sponsors of the
Get out of here! Show me the new release! Oh, it's my favorite company. Get out of here, Dependo! I want the Sugu. There's the new game, Super Shrek Ultimate! Oh my goodness, yes, yes, yes! Show me, show me, show me, show me! Come on, come on, come on!
ultimate.
Come on!
Ultimate.
Come on!
This is a game
It's
which
him!
uses 4 characters that you can play against.
Super
and
Shrek
points.
Ultimate
And
brought
they
the
all
Super
have Super Shrek.
Shreyo! Where is it back the camera now? Ah! Give that review a 7 out of 10 because it was so great. Now, on a review on Jeffrey. It's awful! Get out of here! This is the worst show ever, Jeffrey! It's time to die, yo.
But with the power of friendship and stuff like that, I will defeat you. No spotting, let's play Monopoly. Yeah! Party! I got Monopoly down! Ah, lightning bolt! It's really bad at Monopoly!
But Bread!
Oh no!
And that's the average no gang. See you later on my YouTube channel. Oh, and make sure to follow me on my new 13th YouTube channel, The Average No Memes. Yes, it's the SSPOON edition. So, see you later!
Ugh, what do you want, Dirtha? I can shoot lightning bolts out of my hands! Pew, 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 pew.